Haddad Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is a manufacturing company which produces premixed beverages and has been incorporated in Malaysia since 2nd December 2013. We began the operation on 27 October 2014.
Our vision is to be the manufacturer of high-quality halal food and to build the next successful entrepreneur. And our mission is to strive to fulfill the demand of halal products locally and internationally. Haddad Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is located at Kedah Halal Park, Sungai Petani, Kedah. We had produced 5 types of instant drinks, which are Tamar Cocoa, Malt IQ, Tamar Arabica Coffee, Tamar Teh Hijau Latte, and Tamar Teh Tarik. The number of employees are 20 people, with the production of products between 10 to 15 tons per day. Tamar Cocoa is the best-selling drink since its first production. We have been granted halal certification by JAKIM, MESTI, GMP, and HACCP certification by Ministry of Health Malaysia, ISO 22000 certification by Guardian Independent certification, and Green 5S certification by Cerium. The products are widely distributed in Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak, and also exported to the neighboring countries like Thailand, Brunei, Singapore, Indonesia, China, and other countries. Other than that, our vision is to expand our business to global market. Middle East and Europe are our next targeted countries. Our products can only be found through stockists and agents in Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak.